Hello friends, today I will show you how to WordPress website delete from cPanel. So I will share you two method. First of all, first method you need to find out the soft color software after login. Then just scroll down, read the soft colors and click on the WordPress. It will take little bit time. Then we're showing there in two WordPress website here. Alright, and I will just delete this one and click on the remove button. This is the delete icon. If you want to all website delete, just check mark, then you can just remove completely, remove from subcolors, that's it. And I'll just not all delete, I'll just delete on the this one. So click on the delete, and there is some option here. If you want to remove directory, database, and remove database user, each and everything. If you don't want to remove this one, then you can uncheck. Alright, this is the remove installation. If you click on the remove installation, then it will be removed. Another method is, if you want to remove, then you need to going to the folder. Alright, this is the public HTML and this is our subfolder. This is the WordPress website. If I remove from here, delete, then this website will be deleted. Now if you want to remove the cPanel database, then you need to back on the public HTML, PHP, and click on this specific database or this database name, this one. Alright, WP786. Then you can WP786. Now you can delete this database. Alright, the database delete from here. Just copy, rename, create. We'll just drop the database. Alright, so this is the node from here. You just click on database, then you can delete from here database and database username. So that's it. Now I just delete from here, taking time. Then if I reload here, then this database will be not available. Yep. Also this folder will be deleted if I reload here. Okay, just need to refresh here. There is no WP folder. That's it. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.